So let's move on. So now we know what can be done using this quick access menu. Next thing is we have to learn a new one, that is our view menu. This one, the view ribbon. So I think you have the same location. That means you have loaded the same wallpaper set. It is in the location is C Windows web stream, and this is the location. I'm going to send this to your chat. In case if you miss, you can follow this location and get this back. It is C Windows web stream. You can copy this, what I have sent. You can copy this, copy it, and go to the address bar here, this one, and then Control V to paste it and press enter. You will go to the location. Right? Copy the address that I have sent, copy it, C Windows web stream. You can use select Control C to copy. Then click on the click on the address bar, this one, Control V to paste and press enter. You can go to the location. Right. Okay, now what you have to do, please change your home menu to view menu. In view menu, so you can do many things. You can change the views. So one thing is you can click extra large icons and see the large icons there. Large icons, medium icons, small icons, and you can see the list too. Details, content means this file size and the dimensions, and then titles, only the file name and size. That is a summary view. Please change between these views: extra large icons, small icons, title view, list view, detail view, and see how the appearance of these images or thumbnails means small icons, are changing. So if it is pictures, extra large will be a good view or the large view. If it is a set of files, you can use detail view. Detail view, you can see when it is created, when it is modified, which is most recent one. You can see the date modified of the folder is today's date. It is the recent one. You can click on that and sort from the descending order, or click it again, it will sort from the ascending order. According to size, you can sort. Click on the size, it will sort in the descending order. Click it again, it will sort in the ascending order. And you can find the largest file. Largest file is this one. This is the largest one. Right. It is closer to 3 megabytes. And you can add new menu, new description, new items. Right click on any of these, type or date modified or name. Right click of any of these and then click authors, categories, title, and if you want, you can go for more and select one of these. You can select the account name, album, and who are the artists, attributes, the company which created that, created date, modified date, received date, sent date, date taken, department, addresses. So likewise, you can see many information about a file. URL, the total file size. So let's use this one. Width. In W, you can see width. In H, you can see height. H. Here, height. Then you can see width and height of the picture. Here, width and height of the picture. The largest picture has 1200 by 1920 pixel width and height. So let's do this. So this can be done in the detail view, right? In the view, please go to detail view and then you can do this. Change and see. And try to sort it, ascend in order, sort it, descend in order. Okay, what you can do as a homework, is you can search here. You can go to C drive and search asterisk.jpg. Then it will search all the pictures in your computer. This we did last week. Sorry?
Last week.
Yes, we did last week. So what you have to do after doing? So go to C, then search asterisk.jpg. We did last week. Yes, I know. But after getting the results, what you have to do after getting all the results? You can go to view menu. Sorry, again, searching back asterisk.jpg. So after getting these results, so please go to the view menu and change this to detail view and click on size and get the pictures with large size, large file size. So you can sort, right? You can stop this and you can sort according to size. And then you can get what are the large pictures. Here you can see some large pictures are there. Click it again, the smallest will come top. Click it again, the largest will come to the top. See the file size of the largest picture in your computer and let me know by next week. So what you have to do? Search asterisk.jpg, go to view, right? Then change view to the detail view. After changing view to the detail view, sort on the size and get the size of the largest picture. Right, I'll write this for you.
We need to add size of homework.
Yes, homework. Search for pictures. Search for pictures in C drive. Can use asterisk.jpg to search. After the search, go to view and change the view to detailed view. Sort the search result based on size in descending order by clicking on this size. Tell us the size of the largest picture in your computer. Also tell us the size of largest movie in your computer. So this tip is search asterisk.mp4 or asterisk.avi and you can get. Okay, this you have to forward. If you found that, please forward. If you not found, if you need help, you can ask in the practical session. When you are doing the practical session, please ask for a help. Right? In the practical session, you can ask for a help. If you cannot do this in the practical session, please show this to them and ask for a help. Then they will help. Right. Okay, with that, I'm going to stop for today. Since we have to start grade 7 class.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Then good night.
Thank you, sir.
Stay.
Good night, sir.
Good night, sir.
Okay, good night. Bye.
Thank you,
Good night, sir.
Good night,
Good
sir.
night,
Bye.
sir.
Okay,
Goodbye, sir.
okay, good night.
Good night, sir.